got some fancy new lights. You inflate them here, and then at the back there's like a little power thing, and you can change it from, so that's on medium at the moment, that's low, that's SOS, and then you put it on and it's bright. Medium. I have tested these at home. They've got magnetic backs and you can hang them. Quite like them because they're quite long. Just to give you a bit of scale, that's my hand. And they'll hang inside the van quite nicely. Got a couple of them for about 40 quid, 30 something quid on Amazon. And yeah, they just provide a nice bit of a ambiance. Hello there, how you doing? I bought these lights on Amazon. I bought a pack of 2. Can't remember how much they cost. I'll put the price on the screen. And they're basically inflatable. You inflate them using that valve there, just blow it up, and then there's a little solar panel on the back and an on-off switch, and then a waterproof sealed USB-C, so that you can top it up either by solar or by USB-C. I find these really quite useful. I'll show you what comes in the box. So you get a light, obviously. You get 2 USB leads. One is male to USB-C and the other one is female to USB-C. Carry bag and the obligatory set of instructions. And what I'll show you now is some footage of these in use. Hello there, how you doing? I'm on a van camp with Mr. Ruffles. We're down by Drakeholes, and I just thought I'd show you a couple of lights that I bought which are quite handy. These are inflatable lights. They fold flat. The reason why it's sticking to the van there is there are magnets at the back. You've also got hanging loops. What you do is you inflate it with that valve there, you pop that, blow some air in, seal that up, and then on the other side you've got a power switch. You've also got a little solar panel and a USB-C input, and that is watertight. These are waterproof. I can't remember the IPX rating. I will put that on the screen now because I'm good like that. And in order to turn this on, you press the power switch and you get the bright light. Then I think there are about 3 settings on here. Can't find it. There it is. Then you get a medium light. I think then there's a low light. Yeah, then there's a low light. And then there is a flashing SOS light. Quite like these. They make a good strip light when you're in the van. Just for sort of like a, well, I'll tell you what, why don't I show you, because it's quite dark in there at the moment. So we'll put this on bright, and if I slot this just above some of the stuff that I've got in the roof, there you go. That just lights the van up nicely. If I take that out, mostly darkness, put it back in, all light. Pretty good, I quite like these. I'll put a link in the pinned comments and description and you can check them out for yourself. Goodbye and goodbye. Cheerio.